Hello friends, this is Katie and you're watching Learning and Sharing with Katie. In this video, we are going to see how to create a nodejs app using command line. So type here cmd, in which folder you want to create a node app. Just type express. Before typing express is must install globally on your system. I have already installed express, so just type express and hit enter. It will create a nodejs app for you. Okay, so let's type npm start to run node app. Let's check our express app structure. It has created main folder, public folder, route folder, view folder, app.js and package.json, but it doesn't contain any node modules. So we have to first install node modules using npm I or npm install. Now it is installing all the dependencies which are required for node app. Now just type npm start. We'll see what issue comes next. It is showing 3000 code is already running. So let's open this app in Visual Studio Code. I will show if the port is already running, then how we can run a node app with a different port. Just open a www file and a bin and give whatever port you want over here, and just now try npm start. Now the app will run successfully on 3002 port. Let's check whether it is running successfully or not. Just type local host colon 3002. Hit enter. Boom. Express app is running successfully on your machine. Thanks for watching.